Ever dropped your phone in water and had that heart-stopping moment? What about the Google Pixel 8a? Is it waterproof enough to survive your clumsy moments or a sudden rain? Stick around as we dive into the Pixel 8a's IP67 rating and what it really means for you. Hey tech fans, welcome back to GadInsider, your go-to for all things gadgets. Today we're answering the big question: is the Google Pixel 8a waterproof enough for your everyday adventures? The Google Pixel 8a is a mid-range beast with a premium vibe, rocking an OLED display and a powerful Tensor G3 chip. But at its price point, it's still an investment, and nobody wants their shiny new phone ruined by water. So let's break down its waterproofing and see if it holds up. First things first, the Pixel 8a has an IP67 rating. Sounds fancy, but what does it mean? The IP stands for ingress protection, and those two numbers tell us how protected the phone is. The 6 means it's completely dustproof. Score, the 7 means it can handle being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. So if your Pixel 8a takes a quick dip in a pool or gets caught in the rain, it's probably fine. But hold up, this isn't a free pass to go swimming with your phone. Let's talk about what IP67 can and can't do. In real life, IP67 is solid for most accidents. Spilled your coffee? Dropped it in a puddle? The Pixel 8a should survive. But here's the catch. IP67 doesn't cover high-pressure water jets like from a shower head or long-time submersion, and that IP rating can weaken over time as your phone seals wear out. Compared to IP68 found on pricier phones like the Pixel 8 Pro, the difference is small. The IP68 can handle slightly deeper water, but for most of us, IP67 is plenty for everyday mishaps. Dreaming of snapping epic underwater shots with your Pixel 8a? Pump the brakes. Google says no underwater photography without proper dive housing. Why? The IP67 rating isn't built for that kind of pressure, and water could sneak in. Plus, as your phone ages, its water resistance weakens. Want to play it safe? Grab a phone-sized dry bag or a water-resistant case for extra protection. If you're a diver, there are special housings, but they're pricey and bulky. Better safe than sorry. So how do you keep your Pixel 8a safe? First, avoid risky situations. No underwater selfies or bathtub TikToks. Second, use a dry bag or case for beach trips or rainy days. Third, check your phone regularly. Worn out seals mean less protection over time. With a little care, your Pixel 8a will stay safe from water damage and keep delivering those crisp OLED vibes. So, is the Pixel 8a waterproof enough? For most daily oopsies, absolutely. But don't treat it like a submarine. What do you think? Would you trust the Pixel 8a in a splashy situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you learned something, and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech tips and tricks.